Hello everyone, DJ here. Welcome to this channel and today's video. Topic of today's video is how to pick Clickbank products that sell and what are the mistakes to avoid. First of all, I'd like you to invite you to subscribe to this channel. Click that subscribe button below, and if you like today's video, smash the like button below and or leave a comment. So let's get started. What is Clickbank? It's an affiliate network, one of the oldest one. Cool thing about Clickbank is that it specializes in digital products, not so much just on digital marketing, but digital products in general. They're a top online retailer with 200 million customers. Clickbank sells digital products worldwide created by entrepreneurs. From advice for getting in shape to healthy cooking recipes and dating advice, Clickbank delivers digital lifestyle products to customers in 190 countries. Clickbank offers a lot and host of different products that you could actually choose to sell. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in to my Clickbank account. So I'm just gonna go and log in, and under Marketplace you can find numerous products, and picking our products should be based on your interest. You can see different categories on the left hand side, and under each category there is also a subcategory. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one of the products. So I'm gonna go under health and fitness, and I can see the results here. However, so once you picked your category, how will you know which products sell? Well, this is the main topic of our video today. So what you should be focusing on? The first thing should be gravity. The gravity performance statistic is an approximate relative measure of how many affiliates have successfully promoted products from an account, with the higher number meaning more conversions. So basically, if we go back to this one, I will sort my results by gravity, so I can see what are the most popular products. I can see the Cinderella solution is very popular since its gravity is almost 400, which is great. However, one thing to note here is that even though this is gravity is great, it's high, it also means you will have a lot of competition if you choose to promote this product. So basically, I would suggest you can either scroll down and pick those products that have a gravity between 1 or 2 and maybe 60 or 80, just because with those products you will have less competition. Okay, so once we sorted that, after you choose a good product with good gravity, the next thing you should be focusing is affiliate resources page or JV page. Every product should have one of those and it should be quality material. So basically, if we go to this one, Cinderella solution, you can see here under the description there is an affiliate page and there is a link. So you can click that on that link and a new page will open. And you can see here you can generate links over here. They have banners, they have Facebook ad kit, they have email swipes, and all kinds of different tools. So this is great. I mean, the more materials they have to offer, the better, just because you will be able to use those on either your blogs, your websites, or in videos, or on Facebook if you decide to advertise on Facebook. It's definitely going to help you out, so you do not have to make up stuff and make your materials. I would recommend one website that can help you in choosing the products. It's called CB Engine, which is the top Clickbank marketing website. If you go on the website, you can see here that you can find Clickbank products, best Clickbank products by top gravity, insiders reviews. So it can help you out when choosing which products sell, which products are popular, and which one give you the best commission. So if we go over to CB new products, you can see what are the new products on Clickbank and how much it earns. Actually, what is your commission? Some of those do not have gravities because they just started, but it's always a good practice to pick one of those products, check it out, see their affiliate offers, and maybe if you're the one, the first one, or actually to promote this product, you can actually earn a lot of money on those products. So definitely check it out. You can play around with this, you can browse, and it's a very cool website that can help you out in your research. And the final thing that you should be focusing on is to analyze a sales page. It must be convincing, it must have testimonials, and there should not be other distractions. So if we go back to our Clickbank account, and if we go under this Cinderella solution product that I've chosen, if I click on that, their landing page will show. And you can see here their landing page will show a video. I don't know how long it is, but under here it says prefer to read. You can click here. So if I click on that, something else will show. Basically, it will be a description of a product and also some of the testimonials. So basically, when it says it must be convincing, is that it should convince you to buy it. So if you would not purchase that product, then there's no reason for you to promote it, because otherwise, I mean, it doesn't make any sense, and there's no point in that. So here we can see there's real life photos. There's actually, this product actually works. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. I mean, for every product, you should do a thorough research before you promote anything. So yeah, after we went through that, I would like to point or give some tips on what are the mistakes you should avoid. So basically, you shouldn't be only focusing on money-making products. For example, if it only offers like make money online, make $500 in one day, those are usually not scam products, but it's really hard to get rich on those, and it's really hard to get money. You would pay a lot on advertising, and it just, your commission wouldn't cover that. Rather, you should be focusing on products that actually work, or some real life products, for example, like weight loss, or I don't know, selling books or stuff like that. I mean, if money making products are your interest and this is your thing, I mean, go ahead, try it out, and let me know how it goes and how it works. The other mistake that you should avoid is that you're not following your passion. This actually connects to the previous tip. I mean, if you're not passionate about, for example, green products or health and fitness, then you shouldn't be in this area. Just because it's really hard to write good sales copy and writing good sales letters about those products, and it's going to be harder for you to sell. And it's also if you're interested in something, you will definitely know what you should be focusing on, and which who you should be targeting. So basically, if you're an athlete and you enjoy basketball, then you will definitely know how to target, basketball products to people who enjoy playing basketball. The third mistake to avoid is that you would promote something without trying out yourself. That definitely goes up for some products like these weight loss programs. If you didn't try it, or you cannot actually write a good review about that. So that's why I would definitely avoid promoting those products and writing reviews. So yeah, that's that for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I would like you to invite you to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button below. Thanks for watching.